Hey guys, today we're going to talk a little bit about what it means to be statistically significant. And just kind of redefine and make sure that we understand what that definition is moving forward. Um, so, kind of the definition of statistically significant means like if the results of any experiment are called statistically significant if they are unlikely to occur by random chance, if they are unlikely to occur by random chance, so that the results that we get from the experiment, what we do, are unlikely to occur by random chance. So, um, in the activity that we did in class about the distracted driving, the experiment's results, there were 12 out of 24 in the cell phone group who actually stopped, and 21 out of the 24 passenger group that actually stopped at the rest area. So what we're looking for is that number, is that 12 out of 24 stoppers significant enough for me to say that I have convincing evidence that the cell phone is more distracting than the passenger? Okay, that's what we're looking for. And so what we do to determine that, how do we determine if the results are statistically significant? We have to determine if the results that we got could have happened by chance or not. And the way that we do that is we have to do some sort of simulation. We have to figure out what's the probability that the result that we got happened by chance, assuming that the treatment has no effect on the response. So the treatment in this case being the cell phone and the passenger. We have to assume that those two things have no effect on the response variable, which is if they stop at the rest area. So we need to simulate our experiment multiple times. In class we did it 40 times. That's probably not enough. We probably need more simulations. When we get to chapter 7, we're going to talk about sampling distributions and how that looks. But that's kind of for a different day. We just have to make sure that we look at our experiment's results and we simulate that experiment and see what is the probability that this thing could have happened by chance. This result could have happened by chance. Okay. Normally we have a significant level to determine that, and that's just a probability threshold. Okay. We used 5% in class. If there was a 5%, less than a 5% chance that the results that we got happened in our simulation, then we would say that the experiment's results are statistically significant. Okay, we're going to talk about this concept a lot in this class. If you're still kind of struggling as to how it works in the context of either this experiment or something else, or just kind of like on a broader level, please come by and talk to me. This is one of those key AP stat things that we just really need to get down. And again, if we don't have it down right this second, that's okay. We're gonna talk about it a lot more when we actually do sampling distributions in chapter 7. It might get a little bit easier for us to understand. Thanks, guys.